Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we will solve some problems relating to the complex number. Chapter number 2. Let's start. It's given that z is equals to 3 plus 5 iota and w equals to 1 minus 2 iota. We need to find the z star, that is the conjugate. So first of all, we will find the conjugate of each and then we will proceed all these questions. So in first step, z is equals to 3 plus 5 iota. We know that the 3 is the real part and iota value is an imaginary part. So when we write the conjugate of complex number, that would become z minus 5 iota. So the sign of imaginary number should be changed. And generally we can say that if z is equals to x plus iota y, so the conjugate of z would become x minus iota y. And if z is equals to x minus iota y, then its conjugate would become x plus iota y. So here I have a value of z and z conjugate, as well as we have a value of w, that is 1 minus 2 iota. So the conjugate of w, that it would become 1 plus 2 iota. Now we will proceed all the problem. In part A, it says you need to find z plus z conjugate. So the value of z is given 3 plus 5 iota. So I will write 3 plus 5 iota, then plus sign, and now I will put the z conjugate value, that is 3 minus 5 iota. Now I will add them. So 3 plus 5 iota plus 3 minus 5 iota. I removed the bracket. For addition, we need to know the real part is going to add with the real part. So that would become 6. And imaginary part is going to add in imaginary part, so it's same value but the opposite sign. So these two values is going to be cancelled out. So 6 will be my final answer. In part B, we will find w plus w conjugate. The value of w is 1 minus 2 iota. So w plus w conjugate, the value is 1 minus 2 iota plus the conjugate value is 1 plus 2 iota. Here it is. So now we will add the real part, but first of all I need to remove the brackets. So I will add the real parts. So 1 plus 1, that will become 2, and plus 2 iota minus 2 iota is gonna cancel out. So this is my answer. Now we will multiply two complex number. For part C, z times z conjugate. So z times z conjugate. Now we will do the part C. So the value is 3 plus 5 iota times 3 minus 5 iota. So in that case, when we have like x plus y times x minus y. So in this case, we'll use the algebraic identity that would be x square minus y square. Now here is the same case. This is my x value, this is my y value, it's also my x value and y value, and they are multiplying. So I would write 3 whole square minus 5 iota whole square. The square of 3 would become 9, and 5 iota square, that would become 25 iota square. We know that the value of iota square is negative 1. So 9 minus 25 times negative 1, that would become 9 plus 25. So that would become 34 is the required answer. Move to the part D. Okay, so for part D, we will multiply W with W conjugates. So I have already write the values. Now it's same identity. So I will take 1 square minus 2 iota whole square. The square of 1 would be 1, and that would become 4 iota square. So we know that iota square is negative 1. So 1 minus 4 times minus 1, that is 1 plus 4. The final answer would be 5. Thank you very much.